Hello, today I will guide you on how to install and use Excel add-ins tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to install and use add-ins in Excel. Some add-ins are available by default, while others can be downloaded from the Microsoft Download Center or third-party websites. Is step 1 prepare the add-in? Let's just say you want a feature that lets you email all or part of your workbook directly from Excel. For that, we set downloaded an add-in file from a third-party website. Excel add-in files have the .xlam extension. Step 2, install and use the add-in in Excel. Go to the File menu and click Options. In the pop-up window, select Add-ins from the sidebar. At the bottom, under Manage, choose Excel Add-ins and click Go. In the window that appears, click Browse, locate and select the add-in file you downloaded earlier. Once selected, the add-in will appear in the list and be enabled by default. Click OK to close the window. Excel will load the add-in and a new tab will appear. Go to the new tab to access the add-in features. For example, select some cells and use the option to email them directly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Goodbye.